Hi viewers, welcome to my channels, and today this video is regarding the engine, 4-cylinder Perkin engines. Problem of this engine is that this engine is giving too much smoke and also consuming the engine oil. So you can say you can maybe know that there are too many reasons of smoking and consuming the engine oil. So main two reasons. One is the injector problem or turbo problems. So first of all, we are going to change its turbo, and we will see our problem is resolved or not, because most probability in this is a reason of this one is this engine, the turbochargers. If you can see, so this one, this is a turbo, and you can see very clearly this turbo is oil. Okay, here is too much oil in the turbo, so issues. So I am going to start the machine, and you will see the what is the issue of this engine. So I am always giving you full of informative video for you peoples. As you can see, this is too much smoke. This engine is giving too much smoke. So I start the engines. Now we are going to dismantle the turbocharger. So first we are going to open this one, air cleaner. What is this name?
Intake manifold.
Manifold. And this one you can say intake manifold. You can see this is oil. So this is the intake manifold. I can see you. Hope I show you or not. This is too much oil inside this area also. You can say this is intake manifold has oil. So it's mean this is a turbo problem. So therefore first we change its turbo. So it is very difficult for us to show you how we open this turbo, because it is a very far from the camera. So I'm going to hold the video here. Okay, meanwhile my technician is going to open the turbo. You can see we have removed out this turbochargers, and if you can view it, you can see is it too much oil. Yes, you can see it's too much oil inside here. Okay, so we have also this one also we have brought an other turbo. This one is also old one, but this is looking little better. So we will fix this one now, and then will we see the results. So problem, what can it's the problem of this one? Actually you can, this one is the what's the procedure? This one's engine oil, this is the inlet, this is the input of the engine oil coming here. Okay, so here is engine oil is coming here. This for bearing, it is used for lubrication. This engine oil is using for lubrication. For here's the bearing. So if here is the inside, this here is the one seal. So if this seal is damaged, then this is the input and this is the output going, then this was the output of the lubrication. So if here seal is a leakage, yeah, seal has damaged, then oil is come into the inlet sides from here. If here is seal damaged, then engine oil is coming outside and it goes into the inlet, and from the inlet, from the manifold, and oil go into the exhaust valves, and therefore the machine gave the smoke. So viewers, we you can see we have fixed everything back, and we not put, come start this side. So air cleaner filter we yet not fixed back, because maybe there are still small airs inside, small free air. So we will start. Okay, you can see now engine had started. So now we are going to accelerate the engine. You can say I will accelerate engine, but this time not too much smoke. Okay. Now you can say, viewers, our problem has resolved. Now engine have no more smoking. So it means there was the problem in the turbocharger. Okay. Now once again I am going to accelerate it. So you can see it's not no smoking. So you can see problem was here in this turbocharger. You can see everywhere is oil. You can see this everywhere is oil. So this oil is was going to inside the exhaust valve, and due to this engine is giving the smoke. So we have changed the turbo. So viewers, our problem has resolved. The main problem was the turbocharger, because maybe turbocharger seal was leak, and therefore the oil is directly going to the exhaust. So now hope you will have got much information through this video, and hope you will have to like it. So please don't forget to subscribe my channels and share this video to your friends.